Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, The Sweet Life of Twins, and today I showed you how to make your very own Deco mesh wreath using all Dollar Tree products. You guys will see that I played around a lot with how I was going to decorate it. I did add a bow and like those little heart picks, which I had to cut about in half for them to fit. Bundles I alternated between using 2 pink and 1 red and 2 red and 1 pink, so there's 3 pieces of mesh in one bundle. And I did cut the pipe cleaners and the mesh itself is 7 inches long. But of course you can make it longer and you can add more bundles. I mean, there's so much you can do. This is what I did. Guys, so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next video.